Welcome to our series on mastering your engineered wood floor installation. I'm your host, and over the next few videos, we'll guide you step by step to ensure you get a beautiful, long-lasting result you can be proud of. Before we dive in, a quick but important note. While we're providing this guidance based on best practices and industry standards like BS 8000, 201-2011, the ultimate responsibility for a correct installation lies with you or the fitter. Wood and beyond cannot be held responsible for any issues that arise from the installation process itself. Following these guidelines carefully is also crucial for your product warranty. So, let's make sure we get it right from the very beginning. For any flooring project, you'll need some essential tools and, importantly, safety gear. We'll talk about specific tools for each installation method later, but always make sure you have things like safety glasses and gloves on hand. All right, let's talk about your space. The very first step? Get that room completely empty. Remove all furniture, old flooring like carpets or vinyl, and any obstacles. You need a clean, clear area to work efficiently and safely. Timing is also key. Ideally, you should plan to install your new engineered wood flooring after other messy jobs are done. That means waiting about 7 to 10 days after any plastering or painting is fully completed and dried. Also, ensure all windows and doors in the room are properly installed and sealed before you even think about bringing in your new floor. And if you're installing new kitchen cabinets or island, remember to install them first. Why all this emphasis on preparation? Because getting these initial steps right is absolutely non-negotiable for a successful, long-lasting floor. Proper prep minimizes the risk of problems down the line, ensuring your floor looks fantastic and performs brilliantly for years to come. So, your room is clear and the timing is right. Excellent! In our next video, we'll dive deep into assessing and preparing your subfloor, another critical step. Click the link in the description to continue the journey. See you there!